Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a reminder on Slack. Now, at first, just open up your Slack software or just go to the browser version of Slack and log in. And after that, select any of the workspace, just select any of them. And after you're in the workspace, you need to go to the fixed channel in which you want to send the reminder in. Let's say I want to send it in here, so I'll just select it. Then I'll go inside message and type //remind. And then I'll hit enter. And after that, I can select the channel name. I'll select this channel. And after that, I'll put a message. Remind everyone needs to vote. Or just write any message. And after that, just give it any time. For example, 9 p.m. and hit enter. And you'll see a message from Slackbot that this channel will be reminded of this message at 9 p.m. tomorrow. And if you want a personal reminder, what you have to do is just go to the DMs. Then you have to go to your personal DM so that you message yourself. From here, the same thing. You need to type /remind. Then you need to type yourself. Then you need to type the message. For example, send files to boss at 10 a.m. and just hit enter. And the Slack bot will remind you at 10 a.m. tomorrow to send boss the files. And basically that is it. And that is how to set up reminders in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.